How to gift Telegram Premium. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can gift Telegram Premium, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, aside from making your friends buy Telegram Premium themselves, you can also gift them Telegram Premium. For that, just open up the Telegram application over here and make sure that you're signed into the account. Then tap the three lines option from the top left and then just go to this option here known as settings. Once you come to settings, you're going to see this type of interface where you want to scroll down. Here you can choose to get the premium yourself, or if you want to gift it, just tap the gift premium option here. Select a person to whom you would like to gift a certain Telegram Premium. Tap the proceed option here. Now you can give them 12 months of premium, 6 months of premium, or 3 months of premium depending upon what you'd like. Just tap on the get subscription and make sure to go ahead and then actually enter your payment details, and once you enter your payment details, you'll be able to go ahead and then get the subscription. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then gift Telegram Premium. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.